Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one youth in Kupwara district today. The youth was martyred by the troops during a cordon and search operation in Keran area of the district. The operation was going on in the area till last reports came in. Incarcerated senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has been listed among the 500 most influential Muslim personalities globally. Royal Islamic Strategic Studies Center based in Jordan, in collaboration with Georgetown University, published the annual list. Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement expressed serious concern over the continued killings, house raids and other human rights violations in the territory. The concern was raised in meeting held in Srinagar, which was presided by its Chairman Jameel Ahmad and General Secretary Dr. Musab Ahmad. 4 people were killed and 6 others were injured after a landslide at a power project tunnel in Kishtwar, the police said. Kishtwar Deputy Commissioner Divansh Yadav told media in Jammu that the rescue operation has been completed. A total of 4 bodies and 6 injured were rescued, he said. Narendra Modi government is equipping its police in the occupied territory with helicopter service for next 3 years for some clandestine operations. Police have invited bids from registered aviation companies for renting helicopters, officials in Jammu said. Flight operations are required for carrying police officers and Central Armed Paramilitary Force officials in all sectors of Jammu and Kashmir. Congress Occupied Kashmir Chapter President Waqar Rasool Wani has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has snatched away the identity of Kashmiri people and their rights have been exploited in each and every section through tall claims. Addressing an event in Jammu, Wani said that the BJP has lost the confidence of the people of Jammu. APHC leader Bashir Ahmad Butt has said that the Modi-led fascist Indian regime has failed to subdue the Kashmiris despite use of brute force, adding that shameful defeat is the destiny of Hindutva forces in the occupied territory. APHC leader Bashir Ahmad Butt has said that the Modi-led fascist Indian regime has failed to subdue Kashmiris despite use of brute force, adding that shameful defeat is the destiny of Hindutva forces in the occupied territory.